this is Safety Optional. And today I'm here to tell you about the next project that I'm working on. Some of you may remember my video about the typical weekend in the life of Safety Optional. And I recorded it right here out of my cabin out in the woods. And I've decided to do a little enhancement to the cabin. So my wife and I are needing a little bit more room for the kids and everything. So we are going to expand. So here's the original cabin, and this is what's happening. Our cabin was originally built in the 1940s during World War II, and the rule at the time out here was that you couldn't spend more than $200 on a cabin. So the original piece of the cabin here cost less than $200 when it was built in the 1940s. So the cabin changed hands a few times over the years. A screen porch was added on, which was a sleeping porch and basically just had lights and a fan, and was screened in and covered with canvas awnings. It had a small bathroom that was just open to the elements more or less, with a screen around the top, very tiny. And when my wife and I purchased the cabin in around 2009, we tore down that bathroom and built a new one. The cabin's worked for us, having two boys and using the cabin every summer in the time being, but man, it's just small, dirty. The floorboards had gaps between them to let dust and bugs in. The screens didn't keep any dirt or bugs out. It was hot in the summertime, cold in the wintertime, and it was just small. We were all cram-packed in one room. So now we're going to add on. The plan is to expand the cabin in two directions, which will get us a bunch of additional floor space that will allow several beds to go in it and allow my wife and myself to have our own private bedroom. So I'm going to be documenting it here on Safety Optional, one, just so I can remember it for posterity, and two, so you can enjoy it. So far, what they've done is demoed the old screen porch, and they've poured new, big, beefy footings, which will support the new addition. These CMU columns here are the footings that supported the original screen porch. So I hope you guys will join me on this adventure as we add on to the cabin. It's sure to be pretty interesting. This is a really fascinating place, and I'm really glad to make an investment here that my family will be able to enjoy for many, many, many years to come. Hopefully many generations to come. Stay tuned.